Hi YouTube, welcome back to the channel. If you found this video, it's because you're looking for the best AliExpress promo codes. I've been searching all day for a way to get them, and I finally found it. I spent hours searching the internet for the best way to get real AliExpress promo codes, and I discovered codes that actually work. I managed to find the best AliExpress discount codes to get savings on all my future orders. Amazing. I'm going to show you the complete method I found to get them. These promo codes are valid in every country worldwide, and trust me, they are absolutely worth it. I even managed to find several $100 AliExpress promo codes. I'll explain step by step in this video how to get your own code. The first thing you need to do is use a mobile phone. It's a must. This method works on all mobile phones, whether it's an Apple iPhone or Android. Open your internet browser on your mobile phone like Safari, Chrome, or Opera, and go to the following website, www.bonzocode.com. The website is called Bonzo Code. It's a site dedicated to promo codes for all online stores that I recently discovered. The list of promo codes on Bonzo Code is updated daily. It's a very useful website to save a lot of money on almost every site where I shop online. They offer promo codes for websites like Tinder, Crunchyroll, Shein, Sephora, and more. To find the AliExpress coupons we're interested in, just scroll down on the site. You can scroll through the page and click directly on the AliExpress logo. Once you're on the AliExpress coupons page, there are several coupon options. I'll choose the first option to show you how to get a $100 discount code. These promo codes are limited in number, and since they are highly sought after, they are limited to one code per person per day. When you click on Show Coupon, the beginning of the code will be displayed, but you'll be asked to unlock the rest of the AliExpress code. This is normal. It prevents people from cheating and grabbing thousands of dollars in promo codes. It's a security measure to limit usage. So, to unlock your personal AliExpress promo code, simply click the button. I already did this today. I've already used a $100 code, so I'll skip it for now. Once the loading is complete, you'll see a new screen explaining how to unlock your full AliExpress promo code. You will need to complete 2 free tasks. Most of the time, you have to download and play free games or answer simple surveys. This verification takes about 2 minutes. These tasks are very easy, and they will allow you to unlock your entire promo code. The verification is quick, and it's definitely worth it. You're getting a $100 AliExpress promo code. Once you've unlocked your promo code, you can use it directly when shopping on the AliExpress mobile app or the AliExpress website. Amazing, right? That's it. It's as simple as that. You can repeat the method once a day. Head over to Bonzo Code, choose the coupon you want, follow the steps to unlock it, and then enjoy your savings on all your future AliExpress orders. Enjoy this tip. Like and share this video. Goodbye.